Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to use Perplexity AI for building question answering systems. This tool can help you create systems that provide accurate answers to your user queries. So let's get started. First of all, head over to the Perplexity AI website at perplexity.ai and sign up for an API key if you have not already. You can do it by simply following these steps. First of all, select the settings icon which is on the bottom left corner. Now get to the top right section and select API section. Now select docs and then select this get started button. Now here you can get the process of how to get an API key. This key will allow you to access Perplexity AI's question answering capabilities. Now set up your development environment by installing the necessary libraries and dependencies to interact with the Perplexity AI API. Now integrate the Perplexity AI API into your question answering system by configuring it to handle user queries and fetch answers. This involves setting up API endpoints and managing query data. Now provide the system with the context or knowledge base from which it should draw answers. This could be a set of documents, a database, or any other relevant information. Now send user queries to the Perplexity AI API and receive answers. Implement the necessary code to handle these responses and display them to users. Now test your question answering system with various queries to ensure accuracy and relevance. Fine-tune the system if needed to improve quality. Now monitor the performance of your question answering system and gather user feedback to continuously refine and enhance the system. Now deploy your question answering system in your application or service, ensuring it integrates seamlessly with other features and meets user needs. And that's it. By following these steps, you can use Perplexity AI to build an effective question answering system, providing users with accurate and helpful responses. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.